I used to work in downtown Des Moines, and every day I would take the bus to work. One day I got stuck waiting at the bus stop during a snowstorm. And the simple lesson is that I wasn't prepared. I didn't really check the news beforehand, and I didn't know the bus route was actually canceled. As we go into the second half of 2022, investors might feel like we're in a little bit of a storm. There's some concerns around inflation and interest rates, and the US stock market is in a bear market. So that's a drop of 20% from a previous peak. If you've been feeling that you're a little bit underprepared for this, or you just want some good action items for the second half of the year, here's 6 considerations for you. One is that you should review your plan. It's always a good idea to review your financial plan to see where you are. And what you might realize is that you're actually in a pretty good place, which can bring some peace of mind. Second is that you can be proactive and do things like tax loss harvesting to make the most of the time. If you want more information on what this means, we have a great video from May 23rd that will walk you through some specific examples. Third, if you're a little bit concerned, you might just be flexible with your spending. So if you have a larger purchase, say a car, you might just delay that a little bit. Fourth, if you're taking distributions from your investment portfolio, you might want to be a little more thoughtful towards your distributions and take those from less volatile asset classes like short-term bonds, for example. Fifth, if you're a long-term investor and you have a long horizon, in our perspective, it's a pretty good buying opportunity just to continue on the course of your plan and buy at those depressed prices. Great example is your 401k. And lastly, often the best course of action during a storm is to simply stay put, stay disciplined, and wait for the storm to pass. Thanks for tuning in.